Looking for the best budget action cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. AASO Brave 8 Lite. The AASO Brave 8 Lite is an affordable and effective action camera that stands out as the best budget option. While it has a lightweight design and plastic build, it offers great value for those looking for quality without spending a lot of money. Its modern design and compact size make it easy to carry, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. The smartphone app is user-friendly, making video capture and management simple. You won't have to worry about complicated settings, allowing you to focus on enjoying the moment. In ideal lighting conditions, the camera captures vibrant 4K video with lots of detail. However, in low light, you might notice some noise, which can affect the image quality. The camera performs best in bright settings but struggles a bit in dim environments. The stabilization could be better. You may see some minor shakes when walking or cycling, but it's still manageable for everyday use. Battery life lasts about 150 minutes of 1080p footage, which is good for longer shoots, though some other cameras perform better in this area. What stands out most about the Brave 8 Lite is its overall performance at an affordable price. Despite its few flaws, it's a great balance of cost and features. If you're looking for a reliable action camera on a budget, the Brave 8 Lite is a great choice. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. Capture adventure with the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. This device is the best budget mini action camera for good reason. Its compact design offers a lightweight solution for FPV drone pilots and cyclists aiming to avoid bulk. You can mount it anywhere and not feel weighed down. One major perk includes its durability. If you plan to take it on wild rides, this rugged camera is ready to handle the action. You can rest easy knowing that it's designed to withstand tough conditions. The ability to connect to a USB-C power pack provides fantastic convenience. No need for batteries during long filming sessions. Just plug it in and keep recording. It's an excellent feature for those long days exploring. Easy editing shines through thanks to the GoPro Quick app. Review your footage without fussing with complex controls on the camera itself. This user-friendly approach allows for greater focus on capturing breathtaking moments. While the subscription model might not appeal to everyone, it offers added benefits if you choose to use it. This camera also lacks a display, which might be a drawback for some. However, fewer screens mean less to worry about during action-packed moments. What truly sets the Hero 11 Black Mini apart is its practicality. Light, tough, and efficient, it meshes perfectly with an active lifestyle. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 3. Insta360 Go 3S. The best budget modular action camera. Capture life's adventures effortlessly with the Insta360 Go 3S. This action camera shines in its compact design and user-friendly features. It stands out as the best budget modular action camera for anyone seeking creativity and versatility. One of its best attributes is the 4K resolution, a significant upgrade that enhances your footage's clarity. With free frame mode, you can position the Go 3S anywhere. Capture unique angles and reframe your shots after filming, giving you ultimate flexibility in editing. Magnetic mounting capabilities expand your opportunities for creative point-of-view footage. Attach it to almost anything and watch your imagination come alive. Users appreciate how light it feels without sacrificing quality. I love the responsive flip-up touchscreen that comes with the Action Pod attachment. It improves the shooting experience, making adjustments a breeze. This pod also extends battery life, letting you film more without frequent recharging. Low light performance presents a small challenge. Battery life can dip quickly in dim conditions. However, you can still enjoy many vibrant shots outdoors or in well-lit places. While it may not be the perfect fit for everyone, the Go 3S delivers where it counts. Its modular design meets diverse shooting needs. If you prioritize versatility without breaking the bank, this camera stands out among its peers. Number 4. AASO 550X. The best budget action camera can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second. Capture unforgettable moments with the AASO 550X. This budget-friendly action camera stands out thanks to its ability to shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it a great choice for adventure seekers. While it shares a familiar design with older GoPro models, it brings modern features to the table. You can take stunning 12-megapixel stills, ideal for preserving memories. Its built-in image stabilization software smooths out your shots, which is especially beneficial during high-energy activities. An adjustable wide-angle lens enhances your field of view, allowing you to capture sweeping vistas or exhilarating action. Featuring slow-motion video capabilities, you can impress your friends with dramatic clips. Time-lapse functionality enables you to condense hours into seconds, perfect for sunset or landscape shots. With a stills timer at your disposal, capturing group photos becomes effortless. Included accessories elevate this camera's value. An underwater housing expands your shooting possibilities for aquatic adventures. A spare battery ensures you won't miss a moment, while the remote shutter adds convenience for hard-to-reach angles. Plus, compatibility with a variety of GoPro mounts allows for versatility. Although it lacks a front-facing camera like the AASO Brave 7 LE, the V50X still impresses overall. Smartphone integration is handy, allowing you to operate the camera remotely and share your work without delay. Still searching for the perfect budget action camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 5. AASO Brave 7 LE. The best budget action camera. If you're in search of an excellent budget action camera, the AASO Brave 7 LE could be your best bet. This model stands out with its impressive 4K video quality and solid 6-axis stabilization, making it a smart choice for vloggers eager for high performance without breaking the bank. Capturing steady footage adds a professional touch to your videos. Whether you're hiking, biking, or simply vlogging your daily adventures, enjoy the 30 frames per second at 4K resolution, which is more than sufficient for most casual users. Alternatively, switch to 2.7K at 60 frames per second for those thrilling moments that require a bit more excitement. The addition of a front-facing screen encourages easy framing, especially important for self-shot videos. Compact in design, this camera does take a little getting used to, but portability enhances its appeal when you're on the go. Waterproof features add versatility, but come with limitations. So, approach underwater adventures with caution. You might feel a bit apprehensive about using it in deeper waters, but it's perfect for occasional splashes or rainy day shoots. What I love most is how the AASO Brave 7 LE delivers on its promises without overwhelming users with complex features. While it may not feature the robustness of its pricier competitors, it offers enough functionality to satisfy most casual videographers.